Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9. For the final project of the object-oriented programming, our group will make a chatbot. Our group consists of 3 different members, which is me, Muhammad NAZRAN bin ISMAIL, HANIF bin AHMAD RODZI, and Muhammad MUNIR bin ISMAHISHAM. For the table of content for our presentation, it contains summary, description, purposes, challenge, strengths, coding, demonstration, and conclusion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Hanif RIDZWAN bin AHMAD RODZI and my message number is 1210590. Okay, I will explain about project summary first. Our project that we create is a chatbot. We are using Java Eclipse for the implementation of this project. The objective of this project is that artificial intelligence will be used to answer various questions from human. We will explain more of the detail in the project description section, and we will also give a briefing on the purpose for which this project was created. Later in the report, we will also explain the challenges and strengths of these bots to the public. We will draw a conclusion from the result of our project in the project's conclusions. For project description, this project is about creating chatbot using Java. This project consists of a bot that will answer your question. You probably can let out all of your curiosity to the bot. For example, you type the question where you come from, and the bot will answer willingly. On the other hand, this chatbot can help parents to teach their children basic interaction in a very interactive way with AI. We can create a new way of learning experience, especially for children that doesn't like learning by books. For the purpose, this project is designed for several purpose. First, to develop a chatbot that can interact with real human to create an interactive environment that are based on artificial intelligence. Two, to cut costs for parents from buying their children extra literature book for their children to learn about simple interaction and reading. Third, to create a free-for-all experience on the beauty of artificial intelligence and human interaction. Fourth, to decrease the gap between humans and AI and ensure that AI can interact same like human in the other messaging applications so that we can normalize AI in our life.
Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad MUNIR bin ISMAHISHAM. So I'm going to start with the challenges first. So basically, before we start our project, we got several challenges that we have. So the first one is we need to brainstorming idea to decide what project we want to develop, since implementing artificial intelligence base are quite difficult. And then for the second one is we encountered several coding error and also situation that we did not want during this project. So we assume that time is quite challenging in our side, but we managed to complete this project. And then the last challenges that we face is we also find difficulties in finding the right example through the internet. Despite the challenges that we have, we also found out some strengths in our project. The first one is we achieve consensus after brainstorming idea on what project we will build. The second one is we managed to arrange time between project implementation and other thing in this project. And the last one is we can find suitable example and useful information after searching thoroughly in the internet.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad IRFAN bin ISMAIL. I'm going to present to you about the coding for our projects. So as you can see here, for the first part, we import several classes that we are going to use in our projects, such as java.ability colors, jbutton, jframe, jlabel, jtext area, and jtext field. And under the class chatbot, extend jframe, you can see here that we create some object to build our layout. And here, this is the coding for our layout. This is where we determine how big our layout is, how it look, and what color is our layout. So if you notice, here we can see the background color is gray and black, so our layout is going to consist of these two color, gray and black. And for these numbers you see, for F get size, this determine how big our layout is, how wide it is. And for the others, it's for the size of the other thing in our project, in the chatbot. And this send button is used to indicate uh, you to push it after you done writing your message to the chatbot. Okay, for the next part is here. After you click the send button, this coding will make it that the chat you text and send just now will be pasted again in the chatbot, so you can view it again. You can also view your past message. It will show as this. You can see in the ca.append, it will show as you, arrow, and the text you wrote to the chatbot. And the color of yellow, you can set the color. If you want green or red, you can set change it here. And under here is the reply. It's the reply of the chatbot. So the coding is so simple. If the text contain whatever word and the chatbot detects the word, it will reply with whatever you want it to reply. For example, here, if in your chat there's a word hi, it will detect the word hi and reply with hi there. If it's contain hello, it will reply hello with smiley face. And if you ask how are you, it will detect it and automatically reply with I'm good, smiley face, thank you for asking. The possibility is endless. You can put as many coding as you want in this, and it will reply if it detects what you types in the upper part. Okay. Okay, for the last part of the reply, here you can see that if you type the message that is not in this coding, the chatbot is programmed to reply with I can't understand, sorry. So if you wrote anything other than do you get smarter, where do you live, or any other command that you set in the reply section, it will reply with this if you don't uh, write this. Okay, for this part, this is just the reply method for how the chatbot will look like when it reply the message. It will look like when you send a message. It's just chatbot, arrow, and the message here. Like I can't understand, sorry, and I can learn many stuff. It will build that. And this is just the main class. I put it at the bottom. Okay, that's all for the coding. Okay, now we are going to do the demonstration for the chatbot. So we click the run our coding, and this is what the layout should look like. From this gray black, you can see this gray and black here. This is all from our layout setting we set here to make it show up like this. And from here we can put a text for our chatbot to reply with. For example, here is the section for we to type, so we just put hi and we just push send. This is what it will look like. This is your message, the hi, and this is the chatbot reply, hi there. We can try other thing like hello. It detect our hello and reply back with hello with a smiley face. Let's try asking him some question like who are you? Here we send. I am a chatbot. I try to answer question. So this is what is programmed to reply when we wrote who are you. Let's try other question. Here is the list for its reply. This can be updated regularly. You can put anything you want it to reply with when you wrote something. For example, we take this. Where do you live? Where do you live? And send. I live in a beautiful place, but you cannot have question. There. It is called computer. So this is just a really simple AI. And if you wrote something that is not predefined here, it will reply with I can't understand, sorry, like here. So let's try just type randomly and send. So this is the chatbot, and this is the demonstration for this. The possibility for the reply is endless. You can add as many as you want here. Thank you.
So in conclusion, doing this project really challenged our knowledge as a students to implement what we have learned before. It is also new experience to working on AI or artificial intelligence. Chatbot that we made may be a simple application for AI, but it is fun to create and very useful. Also, it is an example for the intelligence of AI that surely can ease human work for centuries ahead.
Thank you so much for watching our video.